My name is Markie Millsap, and I'm a junior accounting and communications studies major with a concentration in organizational communication.
And my name is Victoria Forrest, and I am a senior communication studies major. We're here today to share our knowledge on professional service activities.
The purpose of our presentation is to help you identify your professional skill set so you can utilize it to create meaningful service opportunities. We'll begin by defining and giving examples of what professional service activities are. We'll then assist you in forming your professional identity and specific professional skills that you possess so you can use them for professional service.
Following this, I will give you some advice on do's and don'ts of organizing and facilitating professional service activities. To end our presentation, we're going to walk you through a project planning app online that you can use to organize your own event with a team.
Our definition of professional service is making meaningful contributions to the community while utilizing knowledge and skills that are gained through education or experience in the workforce. For example, James Madison University's School of Communication provides public relations advice to smaller businesses and nonprofits that would otherwise not be able to afford it. Like we previously stated, we are here today to assist you in identifying your unique professional skill set. To do this, we're going to help you construct your professional identity using tips from the article Write Your Professional Identity, taken from writingskills.com. Begin by writing down particular words and phrases that describe your interests, skills, and personality. For example, you might write, I am passionate about helping others, or I am a good multitasker. Plan on writing about 5 to 6 words or phrases. Once you've done this, combine what you've written into a statement of purpose. This statement will keep you focused on what you're working for and what you hope to achieve. Now that you have a statement of purpose that you can use to determine what drives you, you should start thinking about the skills you possess specific to your industry. Take a moment to think about the 2 or 3 of the top skills that you possess. Once you've done this, we're going to break these skills down into their components using the skills inventory that was outlined by the University of Kent's Careers and Employability Service. For example, you might have chosen leadership as one of the skills you possess. Leadership can be defined as the ability to motivate others into action. But what does it take to do this? You need to be organized, you need to be a strong public speaker, and you need to be able to foresee the next steps in the process. You also need to be able to keep yourself and others on task. Being aware of the components that award you the skills you possess allows you to think critically about what activities you would excel in. If you find that you're good with big picture items but not individual tasks, you should volunteer to oversee an entire event rather than participate in the nitpicky tasks.
Now that you understand how to identify your professional skill set and how it can translate into service activities, it's important that you be mindful of the limitations that may exist within your field. According to a pilot study done by the National Institute of Health in 2015, individuals that participated in service activities appreciated the knowledge of their own and others' professions. They were also able to evaluate their teamwork skills and discover the importance of knowing one's skill set. However, it's important to note that industries are different and produce different skill sets. Certain industries have put restrictions on professionals using their skill set outside of the workplace. For example, while it would be an excellent source of service for a group of nurses or doctors to get together and provide medical assistance to people in need, that would break several industry standards and could result in them losing their license to practice medicine. For our interactive activity, we will be discussing the mobile and web app Asana that allows teams to coordinate their skills and track their work in one consolidated place. We'll be walking our audience through a demonstration. To get started, choose your preferred browser and type in the website's address. This is the home screen that you will be greeted to once you have made an account. There's the sidebar, which has the option to add group members to any task or management project that has been created. There's the option for team conversations, team calendar, and projects that the employer will have employees work on. Next is the task menu. You can add a task, which can be any projects that the employer may want the company to do. You can add members, add due dates, and have the option to like or post tags concerning this project. On the task menu, we have made a mock project for this professional presentation. We have assigned the date that it is due Tuesday, May 2nd. We have also made another task of the Google Doc that we worked on for our storyboard and outline. Here is the attached file that you can upload. On the calendar, you will see all events and plannings and tasks that you have set. Next, you can go to Files. This is where you can upload any documents that anyone in the group management project needs to see. This is our outline, which you can download to your desktop. Next, if we go to Inbox, here you can message members that are a part of the project. On the dashboard, you will see all projects and events and tasks. You have the option to add a project summary. Back on the task page, we have added another project to the list. You can also describe the task and what needs to be done. You have the option to make it public or with specific members of the group. Or in the professional setting, other employers and employees. There's also the Help button, which lists tips and features about the app Asana, ways to use it, shortcuts, and support. And that includes this demonstration.
To reiterate, professional service activities are a great way to make an impact on your community while utilizing skills that you've gained through education or work in your field.
Remember, it's important to properly organize and execute these events. There are multiple tools you can use to make these events run smoothly. Even if it's not Asana, make sure you're using one.
This concludes our presentation. Thanks for watching.